To news now from the courts. A detective corporal today rejected claims that he forced one of the prosecution's key witnesses to fabricate a statement against Tesha Miller and his 24 co-accused. He also denied allegations that he is attempting to mislead the court about how a March 5, 2023 incident in Spanish Town occurred. Raquel Porter is covering the trial.
The allegations were raised by defense attorney Paul Gentles during cross-examination of the police witness. Mr. Gentles accused the detective corporal of forcing the prosecution's witness to cooperate in exchange for his life. Earlier in the proceedings, Mr. Gentles suggested that the detective had spoken with the witness after he murdered one of his friends. The detective corporal rejected that claim. According to Mr. Gentles, the witness provided false information, including attaching faces, aliases, and names of the defendants in an effort to help the detective clear unsolved cases in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The prosecution objected, arguing that the police witness had not given any evidence regarding cases. Justice Dale Palmer agreed, but said Mr. Gentles was entitled to advance his case. In response, the detective corporal denied all allegations, insisting that he did not threaten or communicate with the witness at any time. The detective also rejected a suggestion from Mr. Gentles that he shot and killed the deceased while his hands were raised, resulting in an exit wound under the armpit, stating that he is not a pathologist. Mr. Gentles maintained that the deceased could not have sustained armpit injury unless his hands were raised above his head. The prosecution objected. Justice Palmer intervened, adding that the question invited the witness to speculate on what could or what could not have occurred. The detective corporal further rejected claims that he murdered the deceased in cold blood, asking Mr. Gentles whether he was accusing him of murder. He also denied firing shots in the deceased's direction, maintaining that only 2 shots were fired. Additionally, the officer denied allegations that he planted a firearm at the crime scene and transferred the deceased DNA and fingerprints onto the weapon. He also rejected claims that he and other officers threatened to kill Bjorn Thomas. Meanwhile, during cross-examination from attorney representing 3 of the defendants, Kimberly Whitaker asked if he knew the term planting a firearm at a crime scene. The witness said the term had no meaning to him. Ms. Whitaker asked further if he was aware of the illegal and unethical practice of placing firearm at a crime scene to fabricate evidence. The witness said no. The detective corporal agreed that he is under investigation by Indicom in relation to the killing. Raquel Porter reporting for TVJ News.